In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background effects in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the latest features, including those background effects. Now that you've launched the app, next, you'll want to access your meeting invitation link. You can usually find this link in your email or your calendar application. Just locate it and click on it to open your meeting. If prompted, enter your Microsoft account login credentials. Be sure to use secure passwords, and if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, have your second form of verification ready to go. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll arrive at the meeting preview screen. This is a great feature as it lets you prepare before you actually enter the call. In this screen, you'll be able to see a real-time preview of your video feed. For that, make sure to turn on your webcam. This way, you can check how you look before joining, and it helps in adjusting your background. Now, look below the video preview window. You'll see a tab labeled Background Filters. Click on that tab, and you'll find a panel that displays various background options. This is where the fun begins. Here, you can browse through different effects. If you're looking to hide your physical surroundings subtly, you can opt for the blur option. This option is perfect for maintaining privacy while keeping a professional appearance. Alternatively, if you're in the mood for something more visually engaging, you can choose from the preset virtual images. These include a variety of professional backgrounds or even fun options that might lighten the mood. Think about what's appropriate for your meeting, whether it's a formal podcast-style background or a cozy home office scene. Take your time to scroll through the options until you find a background that you love and feels right for the occasion. Once you've selected your desired background effect and feel confident about your visual appearance, it's time to finalize your entry into the meeting. Just click the Join Now button located on the screen. And that's it. You're all set with your background effects on Microsoft Teams, ready to impress your colleagues while participating in your meetings. Thank you for joining me today. Adding these background effects is a straightforward way to enhance your meeting experience in Microsoft Teams. Remember, whether you choose to blur your background or opt for a fun virtual image, the goal is to create an environment that reflects your professionalism while fitting the mood of your meeting. Happy conferencing!